today, guys, we're going to be making my first ever What I Eat in a Day video. A lot of you guys been asking me, what do I eat to stay healthy? How can I stay on this plant-based diet so long? So I'm going to share a few of the things that I like to eat during the day. And today's Saturday, so we get to go to the farmer's market. I'm going to be picking up a few things over there, and I'll share that with you as well. So let's get this video started, and I'll see you in a minute. The first thing I do when I wake up in the morning is have a warm glass of lemon water. I do it on an empty stomach because this improves digestion and it helps to remove toxins out of my body. And actually, guys, it's an easy way to add some vitamin C to your diet. I like to practice intermittent fasting, so after my lemon water, I usually have some type of juice. And today I'm having my healing green juice, and you can find that recipe on my website. It's really tasty. After I finished my juice, Jimmy and I headed over to the farmer's market. The Olis Altus Saturday Market is open from 9 to 2 p.m., primarily during the high season. I like this market because it has fresh produce, baked goods, clothing and jewelry, arts and crafts, free live entertainment, and best of all, good vegan options. I really like this farmer's market because the vibe is so fun and chill, and so many fun people we got to meet out there. Now that I'm finished shopping, it's time to head back to the house. During the day, I really like to enjoy at least 2 cups of tea. I'll have one pretty much in the morning, and then I'll have one at night just before bed. One of my favorite brands of tea is Tazo, unless I'm drinking loose leaf tea. Tea gives you so many health benefits, plus it's a good way to relax and kind of helps me stay focused throughout the day. I like to sit and drink my tea out on the patio and just sit out and have a little bit of a morning meditation. It's really good for me to do that, and for all of us for self-care. And sometimes I'll sit down and journal. And every now and then a little friend will show up and just to say hi. So for breakfast today, I decided to make a little bit of granola to go with my normal smoothie bowl. So I added 1 cup of rolled oats to the bowl, about 1/4 cup of shredded coconut, a tablespoon of chia seeds, 2 tablespoons of honey, or you can also use agave nectar or some maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. And I just stirred it all up just to make sure it gets well incorporated. Oh yeah, and a pinch of salt. You're going to bake that in the oven on 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 degrees Celsius. And I baked it around 20-25 minutes, or until it kind of gets like lightly golden brown, because this granola doesn't have to really be a dark color because it's a coconut chia. Smoothies are one of my absolute favorite thing to have during the day. I'll eat it at night as well, just as a snack. But I really love smoothies, as you can see. I don't like to leave a drop. But yeah, I love me some smoothies. That's why I created a smoothie bowl recipe book. And in that smoothie bowl recipe book, you get 29 delicious smoothies and 10 easy to make granolas. And this is one of the granolas that's inside that book as well. So go check it out, guys. Again, that's thedivinechef.com. So good. I like pineapple and a mango smoothie. Pairs really, really nice with that tropical chia coconut granola. It's just the perfect amount of sweetness in that granola. So good. So tonight I'm making some pudding, so Vivian and I can have tonight. It's going to be a chia cherry pudding. So first you add 2 tablespoons of your favorite, of chia seeds, and add some of your, half a cup of your favorite plant milk. Just gonna even that out for both of us. Okay. You're gonna add some sweetener of your choice. So I use honey, but you can use agave nectar. You can use sugar, whatever you want to use, but whatever sweetener you like. You can use about a tablespoon or a teaspoon, depending on how sweet you like it. Give that a good stir. So tonight I'm gonna make us some Mexican style Buddha bowls. So right here I'm just prepping the rice, and I like to wash my rice to get rid of all that excess starch. And it actually helps your rice to come out much better. It's firmer and it's not all mushy. So now that I've washed the 1 cup of brown rice, I add 2 cups of water to that. And then I'll put it on the stove and allow it to come to a boil. And then I'll reduce it and let it simmer until all the water absorbs. So it usually takes about 20 minutes. Oh yeah, and I add a little bit of salt to that. Alright, so we're gonna make some tofu crumble, kind of like almost to mimic a ground beef to go inside the Buddha bowl. I like to freeze my tofu because it gives a better texture. So after crumbling up the tofu, I just added a little bit of salt to it, some cumin powder, a little bit of black pepper, and some garlic powder, some onion powder. I add a little bit of coconut oil to the tofu to make it more moist and give it a better texture. And then a little bit of paprika. I bake my tofu in the air fryer on the chicken setting, but if you don't have an air fryer, you can always pop it in the oven until it gets nice and crispy. So after I took it out the oven, it wasn't like the flavor punch that I expected it to be. So I ended up putting it in a pan and add some salsa to that pan to give it a little more flavor, and it came out really good. So now it's time to build the bowl. So first I added some shredded cabbage, that delicious brown rice that we made earlier. I added some black beans that I sauteed and heated up. I add that seasoned tofu that we made. And I added some street corn that we get out here in Mexico from one of the carts. Slice up a little bit of avocado. And I topped it with a homemade dressing. Alright guys, to make that dressing, the drizzle to go on top, I use a half a cup of vegan mayonnaise, and seasoned to taste because I just threw it all together. But I put a dash of hot sauce in there, some cumin powder, onion powder, garlic powder, some dried parsley's in there, and what else did I put in there? I add a little bit of water, to thin it out some, and that's pretty much it, guys. And if you want to add paprika in there, you can, but just do it to taste. And you can add some vegan sour cream if you want to mix it up to thin it out. All I had on hand real fast was our vegan mayonnaise, so I just made a dressing real fast to go on that bowl. So yep, that's how we wing it. And at the end of the day, I enjoyed that delicious cherry chia pudding. So I hope you enjoyed this first What I Eat in a Day video. Let me know if you like more videos like this, and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any other videos I upload. I'll see you next time. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.